There is an invisible, brutal battle happening right now on the wrists of extreme athletes, deep-sea divers, and high-altitude explorers. For years, traditional rugged watchmakers ruled this territory with unbreakable analog frames and mechanical gears. But a few years ago, Apple entered the arena with a massive, unapologetic block of titanium and declared war. Now, the stakes have been raised to a terrifying new level. Behind the heavy security lines at Apple Park, engineers have finalized a device built to survive environments that would instantly kill a human being. This is the highly classified, deeply anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 4. When Apple first introduced the Ultra lineup, the tech world was skeptical. People thought it was just a giant, overpriced fashion statement for weekend hikers. But the Ultra quickly evolved into something far more serious, a genuine survival tool. And with the 4th generation model, Apple isn't just updating the specs. They are fundamentally changing what a wearable device is capable of doing when your life is on the line. They are pushing the absolute boundaries of biometric scanning, material science, and satellite communication. To understand the raw power of the Ultra 4, you have to look at the secret transformation happening beneath its rugged exterior. For the first time in the history of the Apple Watch, the core processing engine is jumping to a hyper-efficient, next-generation silicon architecture tailored specifically for long-range endurance. This isn't just about opening apps faster. This new processor is designed to manage power with microscopic precision. The biggest complaint about advanced smartwatches has always been battery life. If you are deep in the backcountry on a multi-day expedition, a dead watch isn't just an inconvenience, it's a critical point of failure. The Ultra 4 shatters previous limitations by introducing a completely overhauled energy management system, paired with an advanced solid-state battery chemistry. This allows the watch to stretch its operational life to an unprecedented 96 hours of continuous tracking on a single charge. Even with heavy GPS usage, it turns the watch from a daily charge accessory into a true, multi-day survival companion. But extending the battery was only half the battle. The true masterpiece of the Ultra 4 lies in its display, an area where Apple had to rewrite the rules of optics. When you are standing on a snow-covered mountain peak in blinding, direct sunlight, or navigating a pitch-black underwater cave, standard screens become completely unreadable. Apple tackled this by engineering a revolutionary micro-LED display matrix capable of pumping out an astonishing 4,000 nits of peak brightness. It is square inch for square inch, the brightest and most color-accurate panel Apple has ever manufactured. Yet, the true magic happens when the lights go out. The screen can drop its brightness down to a fraction of a single nit, instantly shifting into an optimized night mode that preserves your natural night vision without casting a revealing glow across your environment. Protecting this bleeding-edge display is a redesigned, chemically hardened sapphire crystal dome that is physically curved to deflect direct impacts from jagged rocks and ice axes. Beneath that impenetrable glass lies the most ambitious health monitoring suite ever packed into a consumer wearable. For years, Apple has been quietly chasing the holy grail of non-invasive biometrics. With the Ultra 4, they are introducing a special